Clove tea, with its warm aroma and bold flavor, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. But what happens when you make it a daily habit for a week? In this video, we'll embark on a 7-day clove tea challenge, exploring its potential benefits for your body and mind. From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, we'll dive into the science behind this humble spice and its surprising power. Get ready to brew up a cup of curiosity. We'll brew, we'll sip, and we'll explore what might happen when you add clove tea to your daily ritual. So grab your mug, hit play, and let's get steeping. Day 1. Warming up. A day of spice and discovery. Our clove tea challenge begins. Today, let's familiarize ourselves with this aromatic beverage. Let's start with the brewing itself. The scent that fills your kitchen as those whole cloves dance in hot water is already a sensory treat. Take a sip and notice the warming, slightly peppery tingle on your tongue. It's an acquired taste for sure, but don't be discouraged. Throughout the day, keep an eye on how you feel. Any initial changes in energy levels? Does your digestion feel lighter? Remember, clove tea boasts potential anti-inflammatory properties, so you might notice a subtle easing of any aches or pains. Tonight, before bed, brew another cup. Let the warmth soothe you and the antioxidants lull you into a restful sleep. Day 2. Digestive delight. Feeling lighter and brighter? Welcome to Day 2. If you were hesitant yesterday, give clove tea another go. You might be surprised to find you're getting used to the flavor, even enjoying it. Now, pay attention to your digestion. Clove tea is known to aid in gut health, so you might experience reduced bloating or a smoother digestive flow. Day 3. Feeling the buzz, clove tea and immunity. Midway through our challenge, and you might be feeling a shift. That cup of clove tea in the morning could be giving you a natural energy boost. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and may support your immune system, so you might feel more resilient and ready to tackle the day. Day 4. Fresh breath and focus. Perks beyond the cup. 4 days in, and clove tea might be becoming a ritual. Notice how your breath feels fresher after a cup. That's another perk of clove's antibacterial properties. And speaking of benefits, are you finding yourself concentrating better, your mind clearer? Clove tea's warming nature can be calming and may even enhance cognitive function. Day 5. Spice up your skincare routine. Beyond the mug. Clove tea isn't just for drinking. Did you know its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can benefit your skin too? Dab a cooled-down tea bag on inflamed blemishes or use it as a natural toner. Feel free to get creative. Day 6. Winding down with clove. Relaxation and reflection. Almost there. As the week draws to a close, reflect on your experience. Have you noticed any positive changes in your overall well-being? Clove tea can be a natural stress reliever, and those warm evening cups might be helping you unwind. Day 7. Clove tea challenge complete. Time for assessment. The final day. So how you feel? Has clove tea become a welcome addition to your routine? Share your experience in the comments below. Remember, clove tea isn't a magical cure-all, but its potential benefits shouldn't be underestimated. Bonus tip. Don't stop here. Experiment with different ways to enjoy cloves. Add them to your chai, use them in baking, or try a clove oil diffuser for a touch of aromatic therapy. Thank you for joining us on this clove tea journey. We hope you discovered a new flavorful way to support your health and well-being. Now, go forth and spice up your life with the power of cloves.